grade 6s. So today we're going to be looking at the role of Iroquois men. Please follow along with your notes and make sure you write the bold words in the blank. The Grand Council was a very important gathering of chiefs and is the government of the Iroquois Confederacy. Sports were very important to the Iroquois, similar to the ancient Athenians. Lacrosse was fun, but it also trained men for their other tasks in life. It built leadership skills as well as endurance, strength, and speed for hunting and warfare. Wars were exclusively fought by men, but women often decided whether or not war was to be declared. The 6 nations of the Iroquois Confederacy never fought amongst themselves after the Great Peace was created. They only declared war on nations that did not want to join the Great Peace.